Today, we're going to be looking at connecting Sage Intacct to Claude via the MCP connector. We're going to start on this instructions screen, and we'll include the link to this right in the video description. Now, as you can see, there are a couple of prerequisites before we get started. The main one being that we need a web service developer license, and we need the AI Gateway add-on for that. After that, we'll need an account on the Sage developer site I'm on right now. And once we have all that, we're good to get rolling. So with that, I'll go ahead and duplicate my tab. And then in the top right here, I'm going to go to my profile and view organization. This will take me to my organization info. And from here, I'm going to go to applications. And I, of course, already have one, but we'll make a new one just to show. So I'll click on new application here. Then we'll choose Sage Intacct and click continue. Now I'm just going to move this tab over to my other screen, so I have it for reference. And you should leave the instructions up too, just so you readily have them available. So now I can give it a name. So I will call it Claude Connector Demo. I can leave this blank, homepage blank. I have my email right there. And then I'll go ahead and click continue. Now here's where we add the URIs, which are in the instructions. So we'll need this one first. And then we'll need this one here. These look similar, but notice the .ai versus the .com. And I think we're good there. Then we'll scroll down and we'll have our developer license here. So I'll just need to enter in my password for it. And then pick a scope. You will be using production, but because I'm doing this in demo environments, I'll be choosing non-production. And from there, I'll go ahead and click Create Application. I'll take a minute and I'll get an email once we're good to go. And there's our email. So access has been granted. So I can go ahead and refresh this. And the next thing I need to do is open my Claude desktop app. As you can see, I'm already signed in. So then I just need to go over to this section here, and you might have to expand with this little button. But I'm going to choose Customize, Connectors, and then I'm going to go to Add, and Add Custom Connector. Then we just need to do some copy and pasting. Call it Sage Intacct MCP server. The URL is right in the instructions. I'll copy the client ID from the app I just made. And I'll copy the secret also from the app we just made. And then we'll just click Add. So the last thing we need to do here is log into our Intacct instance. It's best to use a web service user to connect to the REST API, though a normal login can work. I'll go ahead and click Connect, and I'll log into my demo here. And just like that, we're connected and ready to go. Once you're connected, I recommend going back to the connector and changing this from needs approval to always allow, so that when you're running prompts, it will just automatically query the data. You don't need to grant it permission from there. And from there, you can go ahead and ask Claude questions. So here I'm asking it what the top invoices are. It finds the Intacct connector and starts to query our data. So I didn't realize, but my demo data looks like I only have one outstanding invoice. But yeah, just like that, you can ask it a question, it will look at your data, and then it will let you know the answer.